Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is based on how to create Microsoft Azure account. In order to create a Microsoft Azure account, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And I'm going to be real quick about creating this account. I'm going to be real quick for creating an account, so make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So then to begin with, you'll need to open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser on the web address bar, you'll need to type in azure.microsoft.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page of Azure.com. So there are different criteria of creating an account. So you can either sign in with a free account for a certain period of days, or else you can just go ahead and create an account which you have to pay for it. So if you want to create a free account, go ahead and click on try Azure for free, which is in the bottom left corner of the screen. So here you need to go ahead and tap on start free once again, so that to confirm that you want to start with a free account. After that, it's going to ask you to create a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then create one. If you already have an account, then there's no such big deal. So all you have to do is log in with your account and click on your sign in button. After that, go to the agreements, so mark on it all and click on the next button, which is right at the bottom. So you'll need to provide in your cash card number and all that. So basically go through it all, and as soon as you've done entering the information, you'll need to go ahead and click on the sign up button. On the other page, if your card information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be logged in or you'll be signed up successfully, or else you'll be asked to recheck your card information. Only then you'll be directed to the home page. So that is basically how you can create a Microsoft free Azure account. After this, you can explore and enjoy Microsoft Azure account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.